Hi, this is a demonstration of the news RSS feed analyzer and search engine software. The software connects to many news agency RSS feed and provide a basic search engine and some statistics and data analytics. I'm going to start with the text search where we can provide search criteria. Uh, So the application will return a Google-like result. Here we can see the number of items returned, the title as a hyperlink, the actual hyperlink, the posting date, and the small description of the item. We can click uh, the item. It will open the actual news. We can also provide multiple words, and the application will filter out the news that uh, uh, contain both words. And the same can open the news. It will open it in new tab. The image search will provide searching for images. It will also provide a Google-like search result. Here you can see the same image is repeated multiple times. So most agencies will provide the same image with different size or resolution. Uh, so right now when I click the icon and the image, it will open it in new tab with the actual resolution. So you can see here different sizes and resolution. We can also filter based on multiple keywords. Which will return back results for both. There is also a live TV, which will basically open the two. Currently, I have only um, two new live channels. The channels are stored in the database, so we can basically um, add more uh, uh, channels uh, to the software. The dashboard provides some statistics and data analytics. So with the dashboard, it will show the results of all the top 10 words in a pie chart. These are the top 10 results for all the data. We can filter it based on only today. Um, we can also see the news per agency. So you can see for today there are 8 for Fox News and 1 for Reuters. The news per category. So here we can see that the top in news is 7, while the US is only 1. Images per categories. So we can see that the world right now we have 7 images, while the travel only 1 image. Um, we can actually filter also based on the category. So if I want to know what are the top 10 words mentioned in the business category, these are the 10 words. For instance, if I use the technology, it will show me Google, Facebook, tech, uh, that are the top words mentioned. And again, it will display the newspaper agencies that mention technology, and we can use Word. You can see here different countries. If you mention travel, it will show the summer travel island. If we use politics, it will basically list some politics keywords that are mostly used. If you talk about living, it will show kids and other words as well. The For businesses, um, for the US, it will show the some states as mentioned in the news. Um, the other part is the Google integration. With the Google integration, it will show the news distribution for the same information that we use in the dashboard. It will basically list for all the news across all countries. So you can see for all categories, basically most countries are mentioned. If we only want to filter out the news for today, you'll see less result presented. We can double click to zoom in or zoom out, and we can see also different categories on the Google Map as well. Okay, in this case, we'll give an idea about the news distribution. For instance, if I want to see the health distribution for today, I don't have the data set, but for all, I can see that these countries have more news about the health. If I want to see technologies, for instance, you can see that the countries that provide technologies are listed here, or at least use technologies most. The other integration is the Twitter. So I'm connecting the application to Twitter API. Here we can basically connect the Twitter. I'm using exactly the same search criteria as it mentioned in the dashboard. So we can see here all the top news, uh, and we can fetch uh, the tweets that are talking about these news. I can see today, I can see all, um, I can see different categories, um, and health and so on. The main part, as I mentioned, the dashboard, it will provide overview for all news agencies to know what other news agencies are publishing. It will provide a very useful statistics uh, and uh, the based on the agency, based on the category, and also provide the images. Um, the application is using Microsoft SQL Server to store the database, using ASP.NET to present the data, is connecting to Google API and Twitter API to fetch the information from Twitter and to show the distribution over the Google Map. It uses C# as a language. Thank you so much.